dito sa mga border.
Salamat kuya.
Tayo sa nasutong cover.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Thanks, sir. Sakay na kami sa buong samay. Bangka pa dito sa may Jelly Chuchu.
Hindi, hindi sila na kuhan. Ya pa masa magtawag si Francis.
A morning before. Let's see kung tsura ko na after. Yeah, dapat.
Kuya, kecil, kecil, cari nana pa.
Hama si Jack.
Okay na, go lang.
Okay. Dahan lang. Para makapicture pa kayo.
Anong lake ba to?
Nagatanbing. Ito na yung nagatanbing.
Suki na kami sa my first stop. Down here. Okay, good luck sa uphill.
Sunod-sunod sila. Tatlo na yung makaano, parang nag-ano ako. Sa akin po, kasi yung pang-apat, hindi pinaka ko na talaga. Kasi na-intay ko yung sundo. Mali pala yung number na nabigay. 539 po yung number na 549. Or sa 715 yun, kasi sabi sa akin, nilagay ko yan. Lack of stalactites. So you see stalactite is under in the ceiling. Okay? And after you go through, you pass through, you will see the three major attraction. Namely, the Agogan Cave. And the second one is the cliff diving, the Makoko Cave. And the last one is the Sanctuary Jellyfish. We go first at the first attraction, which is the Agogan Cave. We call it Agogan from our local dialect. Okay? It is called snoring cave. Because during high tide, it sounds snore. Okay? That's why we call it snoring cave.
Sa nakaara siya.
Then District 2. Actually, we belong and our heads are also our back. So during well tether, I would like to request you have to gain your down going in. And then you have to prepare your cell phone or GoPro to taking a picture or video. You're the one because at this moment, Ami and Alvin assisting this but first for the sake of safety, okay? And then most especially during we will enter the entrance, do not forget to smile. With fabulous smile, okay? Because if you are lonely during this tour, no, dapat we will come back to Dagatan Bay. Why? Because there is a CCTV over there. CC only, no TV. Are you ready?
Ready!
My God, again, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, yes. We're going in. So everybody, you have to down your head. That is fine. Okay, now this morning I would like to introduce the entrance. Welcome to the entrance of Soton Bay. Everybody, wash your hands. And that is fine. Okay, now this morning, we are now inside of Sohoton Cove. Everybody, clap your hands, please! Okay, welcome to the inside. Actually, the water here, that is from brackish water. To salt. Then remember horseshoe. That is also a marker inside of this cove. Remember ha, may kalakihan po tayo dito, around 71 hectares. And then Soton Cove, no other exit is only the entrance. So after an hour, we will explore inside. We will come back again to the entrance. Okay, so now this morning, our first activity, we will explore to the cliff. So actually, that is the entrance, that one. That is shallow. So walking inside, you can walk inside. And then inside, there is a minimal rock climbing around 5 meters going up. And then the way you exit, we have a cliff there, that one. You have to jump that one to the water.
And we swing?
Yeah. Actually, no sure is that
Oh,
is that possible that one. So you can jump. Yung kasi may mga bato po ha, sayang po yung bato. Sayang bato. Tapos, standby tayo dyan. Standby muna tayo. Take two muna tayo, sir. No, let's go here. Sir, let's go here. Oh my God. Careful. Oh. Ibigay mo yung GoPro mo kay Alvin ba para siya po yung mag-cover. Okay, everybody, I see here. Dito muna tayo. Okay, tayo lang tayo. Tayo lang tayo. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. Fabulous. Again, 1, 2, 3. Wow, delicious. Last shoots. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, simplicity. Oh, look at your...
Girl car, drop na lang ba yan?
One line, please. One line.
One line.
No, one line. Diretso po tayo dito. And then, watch your steps, please. Oh, may bato po dyan, ha? There's a lot sa mga. Right? No, left side please, left side. You have to go left side. Okay guys, ayos on here again. Lumalabas kasi that is a lobats.
Oh, witty.
Yes, that's a lobats. And then of course, you can see here. Look at back, that one. That is called stalagmite from ground growing up. And then that one, that is called stalactites from selling growing down. So I will repeat, stalagmite, stalactites. Again, stalagmite, stalactites. So if the stalagmite and stalactite meet each other, that is called stalagmites. Hi. Okay.
May ganun.
Okay, so I will wala po yan sa Kambayan Webster. I will take you a short video.
Chichi o Michi? Kes. Talagi Michi o talagi Chichi?
Ay, sorry.
Okay, do not go that side. Do not go this side. Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Ang funny mo. Best ano ka.
Yan. Bakit takot kayo sa height, no? You scared the height? That is why you go back on the boat? Okay. This is
Girl,
what do this guy?
may
What is your nationality, ma'am? You came from what country? Chile. Chile Republic.
Kuya, pwede pa picturean mo kami?
Sa Kiyambutan? Sa Kiyambol. Ang tagal. May lubid. Natatali ako. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, let's go. Picture. Yes. Okay, before we going in, let's go. Picture muna tayo. Tapos, do not,
Hello world!
Grabe. Naka-motor.
May motor.
Oo, motor siya.
Okay, everybody. Kami again. 1, 2, 3. Hindi kayo magkita, sir. 1, 2, 3. Wow, simplicity. Oh, look at your simplicity. Okay, it's pretty simple. Magkita tayo matulog. Go, here, go. Ito yung mga may bato. Yes. Bato ni Darna.
Oo, pero na lang mag-anak siya.
Ma'am, rin na.
Balik mo.
Huwag mong subukan. Pwede tayo. Dito mo yung makakabila yung buha. So, no moving. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, crispy. Again. Again, 1, 2, 3. Delicious. Ma'am, no, close again. Close it here. Okay, again. One more. Sige po ba? Makatayo kayo ba? Tayo. Tayo kayo.
This place here.
And then, this one. Okay, here. Baka isipin mo. Amazing. Wow! Oh my God! One more, no? Wow! Crispy. Juicy. Oh my God! One more. Okay.
Gusto mo bigyan? Kaso yung pwede din.
Ma'am, silip lang mo yung gamitin na yan.
Naka-on na to? Oo, naka-on.
Walang ano?
Floating. Dito ka. May tao dyan eh.
Wow. Okay, next. Ma'am, ikaw na sunod.
Ay, ako.
And then,
Sige, go.
my God, tanggalin mo yung ano? Ikaw malangan na mag-aaraman. Tayo na. Makita ko yung outfit niyo. Wow! Laglaga na. Rock. Venezuela. Wow, hard. Oh my God. Ito na mo yun. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Sawa ni Marie. Oh my God. Sige pa, one more. 1, 2, 3. Ito na mo. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, next. Oh, next. Next candidate. Ihag mo naman, ihag mo lang. Ma'am, ikaw na sunod, ma'am. Okay, next. Kayo na, ma'am.
Wait ko siya. Photo ko with ano? Videoan kita, girl.
Let's go.
Videoan kita.
Brum.
May motor. Ang bagal. Wala gasolina.
Mahal, wala ka sa uwi na. ni Ma'am. Ang bilis lumangoy ni Ma'am, oh. Nauna sa atin. Diesel yan. Okay?
Dito kami dito kasi sumunod ang tawag
For someone else.
Did you like camera? Sorry.
Okay naman yung pictures ko eh. Yung nakikita ko.
filter na lang.
Gusto ko yung may flash eh.
Ano ka na mo? Last na?
Oh. Fuck.
Aba.
Bo.
Ay, ba na yan? Ay, ba talaga to?
24.
Body.
Oh, last number. We're complete? 2, 4, 6. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. May later.
Okay, so meron namin jellyfish.
Brown jellyfish.
Yes.
Oh my god.
But remember ha, that's all our nesting. You can touch that one, but after you touching, do not break it. But if you feel that one, do not scratch that one, okay? For the safety, you have to wash this one with the water. Huwag na lang pag lift fish.
Hawakan mo lang.
Hawakan lang lang kasi. Ito sa'yo. Yan, parang si Tanya Garcia. Oh my God.
Si Garcia, Gabi Garcia.
1, 2, 3. Wow, yummy. 10. Spaghetti. Oh my God, ma'am. Fabulous. Yan. Again. Isa pa. Okay, ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Delicious. Okay.
Sino next?
Hoy.
Okay. Aura-aura na kayo sa lima. Okay. Dito, doon kami siguro ng Philippines. Okay, 3. So, 1, 2, balik mo rin.
Wow! Sige! Wow! May pang-entry na kayo sa tik...
Wala. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God! Walang dito. Wow! Ito na. Yes. Ay, sabi na video.
Hoy.
Okay. Aura-aura na kayo sa lima. Okay. Dito, doon kami siguro ng Philippines. Okay, 3. So, 1, 2, balik mo rin.
Wow! Sige! Wow! May pang-entry na kayo sa tik...
So, na kami dito sa may Sohoton Cave and ma-lunch. ba yung... So, this is my last night here sa Siargao. Ayan po,